Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XDC tokens in your Revolut account and want to move them to a safer spot like your Ledger Nano X for better security, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, but the steps are based on current best practices, so let's dive in and make this process smooth and straightforward. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Revolut account with XDC tokens, a properly set up Ledger Nano X device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Security is key in crypto, so double check that your Ledger is updated and you've enabled the XDC app on it. Step 1. Open your Ledger Nano X and connect it to your device via USB. Launch the Ledger Live app, go to the Accounts section, and add a new XDC account if you haven't already. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as you'll need it for the next part. Now, hop over to your Revolut app. Navigate to your crypto section, select your XDC balance, and look for the withdrawal or transfer option. Paste the wallet address from your ledger into the recipient field. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Revolut. Review the fees involved. They can vary, so choose a network if prompted, like the XDC network. Hit confirm, and you'll get a verification code. Enter it to finalize the transaction. Once that's done, head back to Ledger Live and keep an eye on your account. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for common errors such as incorrect addresses or insufficient funds. And there you have it. Your XDC is now safely in your hardware wallet. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.